Welcome to the Instant Noodle Factory. It all begins with high-quality wheat flour, salt, water, and special alkaline solutions delivered fresh every day. In giant mixers, flour is combined with water, salt, and alkaline agents. The dough is kneaded for perfect elasticity and texture. The rested dough is passed through multiple rollers to form perfect thin sheets, ready for cutting. Sheets are slit into thin strands and given the signature wavy shape using high-precision cutting machines. The fresh strands enter a steaming tunnel where they are partially cooked to set their shape and improve texture. Steamed noodles are cut and shaped into convenient blocks before the next critical step. Blocks are deep-fried in hot oil for 1 to 2 minutes. This removes moisture and gives the signature instant cook crispiness. After frying, the blocks are rapidly cooled and inspected by machines and workers for perfect quality. Meanwhile, flavor experts prepare seasoning powders and sauces with spices, vegetables, and oils for each packet. Noodle blocks and seasoning sachets are automatically packed, sealed, and boxed, ready for stores worldwide.